Hey everyone, I have a 2023 Tesla Model Y here, and I will show you where the 12-volt plugins are. They're a little bit out of the way, so it might be hard to find. If you open it up, and if you go to this center console, let's see if I can show you here. On the driver's side, there's a plug right here. And there's a second one on the trunk. For that, let me show you. If you open up the trunk, again, it will still be on the driver's side. Let me show you from here. There's this like little storage area. So on top of the storage area, there's a little 12-volt plug here. Maybe I can show you here. Yeah. So here it is. These are the locations for the two 12-volt plugs on Tesla Model Y year 2023.